What's up, guys? I'm starting my journey to Illinois, Chicago from Dallas, Texas, and we're doing that for a sponsorship from Meisterschaft. They're going to be sponsoring the M2 to do the full exhaust. I think it's going to be probably just going to do cat back. I'm not going to do the downpipes because I don't want to avoid my warranty. But they've been pretty cool, and they're going to do us some pretty good sponsorship, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to I took my dog with me, Mello. Hello. He's there, and my wife's right here. So we're just doing a road trip out of it. We're gonna hang out in Chicago, and yeah, stay tuned. All right, we made it to Chicago. I just dropped off my wife and my dog at the hotel, and now I'm going to GThaus to get the exhaust put on. So we're gonna drop off the car. I'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully it's gonna be installed, and we can have fun with it. Okay, I'm here at Meisterschaft, and would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, this is John. GThaus here.
Yeah, so we're actually showing me the titanium kit they have. It's actually really beautiful. And it's super lightweight, like you can carry it. It's super light. That's pretty incredible, actually. So they're gonna be working and doing some stuff like this on the M2, but it's not gonna be titanium. Titanium's above my price range, but they really came in clutch with this, and it's gonna be sounding amazing. I'll post some clips on it after the job's done.
So prototyping it.
Yeah.
And this is the official product.
So this is for the Chrysler unit, and it's gonna go on this Jeep, right?
This is, if you look at it here, it's got a official Mopar logo right there.
Wow, it's just so nice, and you can tell the engineering that's been behind it. All the finish is so nice.
This is obviously a prototype, so.
Oh, this is just a prototype too.
There's a lot of welding and corrections and fitments and whatnot.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And actually, it's gonna go on this this V8 Jeep, which is pretty impressive. And they're also working on this S-Class. It's actually pretty impressive. This is the new S-Class, the 580. You can look at this the system. It's very stealth from outside, but underneath you can see this beautiful piece right here. See it connect on both sides. It's beautiful. And there's my car. They're already getting started on it. So I'm back at the hotel. What happened is we dropped the car off, and they're gonna finish up the exhaust, and then tomorrow midday they're gonna call me, and they're gonna tell me to come back, and I'll do some filming for you guys and show you guys the exhaust. And they actually gave me this as I was going away. It's pretty cool. Some macarons. They said that if you drive out to them, you'll get a box of macarons. So I thought that was pretty cool. Hey guys, it's the next day at GThaus. They're still wrapping up the M2. They're almost done though. Alright, so they actually had to custom make the rest of the back box because they ran out of stock of the quieter exhaust with the muffler on it. So actually they had a X-pipe one, which is really awesome. Just I don't know if I want it that loud. It's right here. If you can see it, it's a beautiful piece, but yeah, I have to drive home, and I don't want the drone, which is gonna be pretty intense. I would expect, but so I got the one with the muffler on it, and they're actually custom making it because they ran out of stock. It's pretty cool. Yeah, you can see him in the background. He's custom fabbing it.
Hey guys, we made it back to sunny Texas. We kind of skipped through the road trip back, kind of long stretch back, and it was kind of it was a little bit tricky to get back, man. It's a long drive. It's about 12 hours, but it was totally worth it. We're back. I'm at the self car wash. I'm gonna start taking off all the tape and cleaning up the car. The exhaust sounds amazing. I'm gonna put some clips down below. Actually, towards the end of the video, it's all gonna be clips of the exhaust. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for coming along this journey. Just gonna do some nice B-roll and then end the video there.